So, good evening, guys. It is Saturday night around 10 o'clock. This is my first update over tomorrow's severe weather. So, actually, tonight we have this emergence of a nice line of storms just above the slowly advancing warm front that's developing. Actually, have some possible severe, mostly just hail, mostly in this region tonight. Could even have some possibility stretches far east as into central Illinois, but the main event is tomorrow for sure, obviously. So we have that line of storms pretty much creating a huge rain event over Iowa, Missouri, and central Illinois overnight into tomorrow morning. And then we got that clearing with that warm front and the cold front. See this prefrontal emergence kind of form right along this warm front here. We have the low pressure set up here, the warm front draped across right here. You can see all this empty air in here. Nice warm sector, and then we have this cold front draped along here. So really, I'm starting to mostly focus on this area here along the warm front. Very nice setup. It's where a lot of spin's going to be in place for tomorrow, as well as a very sharp gradient between no and literally 2,000 Cape instability. So it's going to be very potent tomorrow right along this warm front. So it's going to be interesting to see if that plays, because the NAM really doesn't show that. I can show that to you guys here in a minute. The NAM has more of a line segment event that kind of develops here and draws out. And the HRRR does too, but as you guys can see here, the HRRR, hold on, oh, there we go. See that, bam, there, that nice line that would be full of damaging wind, probably some hail, and definitely some tornadoes embedded in there probably across central Illinois, and kind of pitters out. But we still have that nice line that forms. So definitely some all over the risk down here, but mostly focus on this line, especially since it's right on the warm front, giving it a little extra spin. But I'll show you guys the NAM as well. So here's the latest NAM. As you guys can see, it has some prefrontal emergence on that warm front there, but nothing too particularly dangerous. But it has this nice line that develops. But this is mostly overnight. Like now, this is 7 p.m. and that line's just getting into West Central Illinois. That's 8, 9. So this would be more of a damaging wind, although there probably would be some embedded tornadoes. I can show you guys the ingredients in both models here too really quick, but both have very ample environments for tornadoes. But if we're going to have a better tornado threat, the HRRR model in this run would be much better, because it shows a little more discrete cells than just a solid straight line from Iowa down to Arkansas. So this would be more of an embedded tornado, more of a damaging wind threat, kind of a linear mode versus some more cellular modes early on into a line segment, as what the HRRR shows. Hold on. So we will quickly get into the ingredients. This is the HRRR at 5 o'clock. So we got that warm front draped right across here. You can see where it goes from literally from 0 to 1,700 Cape. Real quick, low pressure centered here. The cold front here. And then we'll check the storm relative helicity, which means the wind shear. Greatest wind shear, there's obviously some line along the the cold front. The greatest is right above and along. So the warm front, like I said, right in here. So literally, if it feeds right along the warm front, it's getting caught right into the greatest area of wind shear here. We do the significant tornado parameter and see that area right along the warm front. The storms are literally punching right along this according to the model. So tapping this great area, I'll just tap literally right on Jacksonville. PDS tornado is a potential hazard here. Got winds from the south at 10 to 15 miles per hour here at the surface. We got 50, 60, 70 mile per hour mid-level winds. You got the nice from the southwest. So it's south of the surface here at 0. You got the mid-level winds at 60, 70 miles per hour. So you got the nice hooking hodograph, as well as the nice Cape here, 1,700 Cape here. So definitely a very ample environment for tomorrow. The main uncertainty is, does that prefrontal emergence really occur along the warm front early in the afternoon, 2 to 5, 6 o'clock? That will really hinder what that second line does in central Illinois anyways. So this is what I'm kind of thinking for tomorrow. I'm not putting in a moderate risk yet, but the 2 black circles are the main areas I'm focusing on. Definitely the more northern one because of this new warm front emergence. But anyways, updates soon. Thanks for watching.